given u is equal to square root of r squared plus s squared, r is equal to y plus x cosine t, s equals x plus y sine t. Let's find the partial of u with respect to x, y, and t at x equals 2, y equals 3, and t equals 0. So if we're going to draw a tree diagram, we have u depending on r and s, and then r and s depending on x, y, and t. Okay, so let's first find this level here, partial of u with respect to r and partial u with respect to s. So the partial u with respect to r is just r over the square root of r squared plus s squared, and then partial u with respect to s is s over the square root of r squared plus s squared. So that's just typical chain rule problem. So now we're going to go find basically the next level. So partial of r with respect to x, y, and t. So we have r equals y plus x cosine t. So the partial of r with respect to x is cosine t. R with respect to y is 1. Partial r with respect to t is negative x sine t. So now all of these are done. So now we move on to s. So we do s with x, y, and t. So s is x plus y sine t. So the partial x with respect to x is 1. Partial of s with respect to y is sine t. Partial s with respect to t is y cosine t. So now we just need to find the general formula for the partial u with respect to x, y, and t. So the partial of u with respect to x is equal to partial u with respect to r times partial r with respect to x. And then we're just going to replace, x with y and t. And then when we're done with that, we're going to replace r with s and go with x, y, and t. So that's the formula we have here. And so we just need to replace everything and get partial of u with respect to x equals r cosine t plus s over the square root of r squared plus s squared. Similarly, for partial u with respect to y, that's r plus s sine t over square root of r squared plus s squared. And then partial u with respect to t is negative x r sine t plus ys cosine t over the square root of r squared plus s squared. Now we can evaluate these as at x equals 2, y equals 3, and t equals 0. We get r is equal to 5, s is equal to 2, and the square root of r squared plus s squared is square root of 29. So then partial u with respect to x is 7 over square root of 29. Partial u with respect to y is 5 over square root of 29. And then partial u with respect to t is 6 over the square root of 29. And so that's going to be our final answers.